Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Shahnaz Wazir Ali, President Zabist University at the Karachi campus. August 14th is a day of independence. It is a day of our freedom. It is a day of our identity. It is a proud moment for us. And it is a time for which not only do we celebrate, but we recommit ourselves to helping Pakistan, to developing Pakistan, to serving Pakistan. Today we had a wonderful event at Zabist, an amazingly exciting event where the students sang national songs, and we also had a skit, and it was all done by the Student Council, Council of Karachi campus, guided by Mrs. Harim, who's their Student Council advisor, and also the speech given by our chief guest, Mr. Qasim Sumro, who's a member of the Board of Governors of Zabist, was amazing. It talked about how important it is to connect with our history on the day of our independence, that we are the Indus Valley civilization. तो आज बहुत मुबारक दिन है, एक बहुत बड़ा दिन है हमारे लिए, हम सब के लिए, और आज यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स ने बहुत बेहतरीन प्रोग्राम जो है वो मुनक्कद किया है.